Alright, I hope the noise can make it, the sound can make it through the noise here, but we've got our little remote control GTR made from a Tamiya 124. We're running it through the inside of the car into my auxiliary panel. This at this point is just affectation and show. The men both stopped by. We'll tag you. Alright, so you got the little buttons on the top, and if you push down on the front of the car, push down on the rear of the car, want to raise it up, want to raise the rear, and you can purge with this button here. And there she is. That's what happens when you have no job.